If you have a passion for sport that you'd like to turn into a career, then Coleg Gwent is a great place to study. We have a range of full and part-time courses from level 1 through to degree level, covering a range of specialisms such as personal training, massage, wellness and rehab. Our sport courses are very practical, giving you valuable experience outside the classroom. You'll have access to local leisure centres, gyms, trampoline parks, indoor climbing centres and Bike Park Wales for practical activities. Your hands-on learning will be backed up with relevant and useful theory so that you can leave us ready for whatever career path you choose. There's plenty of opportunity to participate in team sports and compete to showcase what you've learned at world-scale competitions. Coleg Gwent is also home to the popular Dragons Rugby Junior Academy. Many of our students go on to fulfilling careers in health clubs as our outdoor activity instructors or countless other roles in the leisure and sporting industry. Begin your journey today. Find out more about our sport and leisure courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.